Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Today's simple recipe is stir-fried Napa cabbage with sliced carrots, a side vegetable dish that can be paired with meat or seafood dishes. The oblong-shaped Napa cabbage consists of tightly arranged, wavy, thick, light green leaves with prominent white veins. You can use this to stir-fry a plate of vegetables and also use in soups. Here I'm using 8 to 10 leaves of cabbage. First, wash these leafy vegetables and then chop these leaves up into thin strips before stir-frying in a wok or pan. Also use 1 whole carrot. Peel the skin of the carrot, slice it thinly so that you can make a mixed vegetables. Here I will heat up the wok. I'm using garlic oil that I always have on hand to add aromatics to this simple dish. Stir for about 1 minute. Then add the sliced carrots and stir these carrots for another minute and add in thinly sliced Napa cabbage. Please check out my other video on how to make homemade garlic oil. I added 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce to the vegetables to add some taste. Take note that there is oyster sauce for vegetarians, and this actually has no oyster but just mushrooms in them, and also the original oyster sauce. Go ahead and just use light soy sauce or 1 teaspoon of salt to substitute for the oyster sauce. You can make the vegetarian version with the vegetarian oyster sauce. I quickly added half a cup of water so that it will help the vegetables to soften. After stirring for about 3 minutes, cover with a cover to help the vegetables soften. Stir to mix well. At this point, let me remind you to subscribe to my cooking channel, which uploads delicious and nutritious recipes to help you stay healthy and happy. The carrots will sweeten the Napa cabbage, which has a mild aromatic taste. It is also more appealing to our eyes when the red carrot is mixed with the whitish cabbage leaves. Napa cabbage is a cool season annual vegetable that grows best when the days become short and mild. This vegetable is widely used in recipes in China, Japan, and Korea, and can be used for stir-fry, pickled vegetables such as swan chai or sauerkraut in the northeast China, and in Korean cuisine, it is the main ingredient for kimchi. As you remove the outer leaf layers, the inner layer leaves are more light yellowish in color. Cabbage is highly nutritious and rich in vitamin C, fiber, vitamin K, folate, manganese, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Some research suggests that it may support digestion, improve heart health, increase metabolism, and decrease body inflammation. It also contains more than 36 different kinds of potent anthocyanins, making it an excellent choice for heart health, while its potassium compound is also a delicious way to lower high blood pressure. At the same time, it is low in calories and often eaten in a low-calorie diet to reduce weight. Whatever your reasons, the Napa cabbages should not be overlooked. Adding these common and inexpensive vegetables will give you tons of nutritious benefits. Thank you again for watching and hope you have found this video useful and informative. Enjoy everyone.